Hello, tutor and partner. My name is Lady Yamile Perez Corredor, and this is my task for final evaluation. I choose the IELTS exam, and what is the purpose of the exam? The IELTS General Training or IELTS General Training Test is determined to assess English language skill for work. This version of the exam is mainly used for immigration fines. The IELTS General Training Test is the only English test accepted for immigration. And the second question is, what kind of people can take this exam? This exam focuses mostly on students who need access to university scholarships. The academic version, as its name suggests, is oriented towards those people who are going to start or continue their undergrad or graduate studies in an English speaking country or university. And second and three question is, what is the main goal of the exam? The IELTS International English Language Testing System is one of the most recognized international English exams worldwide, created by the University of Cambridge, Australia, and the British Council have established over 30 years ago with the aim providing to the world a reliable and safe test that demonstrate proficiency in the English language. Number 4 is, what is the most significant characteristics of the exam? The IELTS certificate recognized as a requirement for admission to international studies by all universities in Great Britain, Australia, and New Zealand, as well by many other universities in other parts of the world, including several American universities. And number five, number five is, what skills are evaluated through the exam and how are they evaluated? The IELTS has four parts: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The total duration of the exam is 2 hours and 45 minutes. The oral part can be done the same day or on a different day, with the maximum limit of 7 days before or after completing the other block. The listening duration is 30 minutes, and the listen consists of for exercise and the reading duration 60 minutes. It consists of 40 questions grouped into sections. I'm writing duration 60 minutes. This part consists of two exercises, a 150 word and 250 word. I'm speaking duration 11 and 40 minutes. And number 6 question, what scale is used to get the results? The scoring system is called bands. The correctors will place our exercise separately in different bands from 0 to 9 according to the grade of perfection. A very good exercise will be placed in band A, while a mediocre exercise with serious grammatical faults but understandable will be located in bands 5. And the final question, number 7. Would you take that exam in the future? Why? If I would like to take this exam in the future, and this widen out my strengths and improve my shortcomings regarding regarding the practice of English as a second language skills in order to improve my level. Thank you.